ndona mina kwami sengigcina ndona ngiyabeva bahlolisha. I'm not against what they are saying, but ngicela kuthuma wena minister just consider institute an urgent investigation into the reported administrative bottlenecks lakhona le eMbabane. Ndona usibisele umbiko within 14 days usitoko uvala ukuthi kuhamba kanjani ndona akusiko kahle le ndlela lokubhaleka ngayo emaphepheni. We don't want to cast any aspirations or preempt, but mhlambe le report itawu booster even the committee confidence, the public confidence, ne trust even nalo municipality nje. So singaba kucela nje nduna lehloniphekile ukuthi ukubone kukuhle ukuthi seke uyohlola lekuthi kuhamba kanjani, ngoba singeke sithi lona elicala ngasi o singeke sithi lona elicala futhi ngilona lo le charges. But mina looking at the charge sheet ndona leke ngoba bake basendela sayibona nale charge sheet ndona ngeke ngangena kuyo, kodwa nje somehow ungeke usho ukuthi ngibani lo wrong, but nje ndona uthi ibonela nawe angifuni ukungena kuyo, but nje ngiyacela ndona ukuthi uhambe uyeyosebenza. We have confidence kuna kuye CEO, we have confidence ukuthi bata they are going to amicable. So kuncane kakhulu ngandona na ungathi uyakubuka lokho ma judges akusini into lengabe futhi ngabe bakupublicize yinto bekufuna kusebenza nangama councillors nje. Ngithu kakhulu nase babida nale media nje briefing abathi ama councillor, where are the councillors, why bangaveli bakusebenza lento internal. Ngitho litonke letinto ndvuna lekufuna etibukede ngalawo magama ndvuna onesikhathi lesanele sekuphendula kukuwe ke nduna ukuthi uphendula